Welcome back to another video. Today we have buy a multi-tool and get a free sander for $139. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon. Basically what you do up here is you look for the tool. You look for the atomic oscillating tool, bare tool. Oh, and also don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make per 2 review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this real quick. It's just going to be a short video for today. I don't know how long this deal is going to last, so if you need a multi-tool and a sander, go and pick them up, because they're going to, well, don't go pick them up. Actually, buy them here at the Home Depot website, because who knows how long this is going to be on sale. So you basically add this to the cart. I'm not going to add it to the cart because I already have it in there. But it's the atomic 12 volts max. Make sure you choose the atomic. There's two of them. Here's the max, the XR. Make sure you choose the atomic for $139. Bare tool. So no battery, no chargers, just bare tool. And then you go up here and you select the sander. And then the sander is the Max XR. So the sander, these are both brushless tools, by the way. Dewalt 20 volt Max XR lithium ion cordless brushless 5-inch random orbital sander for $139. So you basically add that to the cart, and then you go over to the cart. And guess what, guys? You're getting both of these for $139. You get a buy one, get one free. Well, actually, you know what it says here? It says buy 2 battery starter kit and get one free. One tool applied. So it's glitching out, guys. It's glitching out. So you guys don't have to buy the battery kit. You guys could. It's thinking you're putting the battery starter kit. Yeah, it's thinking that you're putting the battery starter kit. That's why it's giving you a free tool. That's the whole reason why. Because it thinks you're putting the 2 batteries in the charger, the kit, and getting the other tool for free. So anyways, go and pick these up if you guys want them. Yeah, go and pick them up if you guys need them. Both of these tools for $139. It comes out to $69.50 each. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.